In the last video, we thought we were really close to being done with the front fenders, but after letting it sit for a night and coming back out to work on it, I found the metal to be extremely work hardened from all of the messing about with the hammer and dolly. So I decided to cut off the fenders and actually completely remake them in the same way that we built the E30's fenders, if you guys remember. So in this video, we had a bunch of people come over. My buddy Hunter from work came over with his E36, and Anthony came over and hung out and took some pictures, and Schwab painted wheels for me. It was a good time.
Yeah, prove it.
No. I ain't about that selfie life.
I'm the one filming you, Anthony.
I know. So I'm grinding this wing. Oh shit, it's not even a wing. It's a fucking fender.
Anthony is grinding down the welds. We got the new fender welded back on. So this is what we're gonna use. It's more like how we did the E30. We're gonna grind down all these welds, and then after that we're going to get some Bondo on there. And we'll be able to form it, and then we'll hit the edges with the hammer and dolly and get it nice and formed so that it can look gangster.
Oh yeah.
So we got the fender all bent up. I've got the stock fender kind of flowing into the welded on piece that we got here. And I do have to make a little chunk on this side, but the other side is pretty flush. So we'll be able to just tack that up and sander down over here. After that, we'll be able to get some Bondo on these, and it should be pretty quick, pretty easy to get these looking good. And then we'll be able to cut out the lips, and we'll be able to put my knuckles on and call it good.
No paraphernalia going on here. Just normal car work. Oh, I got dust on me. Fuck.
Here.
My name is Hunter. This is my 1997 E36.
Alright. Tell us a little bit about your car.
So I got it about at the end of senior year, so at 2017. My parents got it as like a graduation gift for me. And they bought it for me. It's $700 with the blown-head gasket. And it ran and drove, but it was pretty bad when I got it. Interior was shot. Yeah, I swapped the whole interior out to black.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
I had to rebuild the head. I have M3 cams in it actually, so S52 cams with full refresh coolant system, as well as I honed the cylinders out and the piston rings, and put it on some rims. Got an M3 front bumper. Put that 5% tune on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to put it on coils. Throw an exhaust on it. Short shifter. Little stuff. I definitely want to clean the interior up too. Get Vaders.
Yeah.
Newer door panels.
Are you gonna skid it?
I want to, yeah. I want to buy an E92 and daily that and then turn this into a little drift slut.
Hell yeah. No, I am.
Sick. Alright, so Hunter's been working on the wing for the Skyline, the new wing that has not totally been installed for a long time.
Yeah.
And we're going to try to hard mount it finally. See if we can get this bad boy on here. About there.
Yeah, those are some little dinky
Swiss
assholes.
cheese.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, of course.
Oh,
Bro, what day is it?
Lined up.
Yellow.
it's Monday.
Bro, we can go get the sushi special thing.
How much is it?
$10.
I only got $4, man. I'm broke. I'm trying to buy a car. Anyone got a 8086 for cheap or a Corolla? Hit me up. I'm in desperate need. Yeah. You want to explain to us why you put the black paint on it?
Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, the black paint is just like guide coat so you can like see where you're sanding. That way we actually can get it like as flat as we can. And yeah, hopefully it'll look tits.
Yeah. So the idea of it is basically all the low spots will still be black. And
Yeah.
we'll know where to do things.
Yeah, low spots will be dark. You'll be cutting into the high spots first, so
Yeah.
yeah, a little weird angle, but get her done.
Yeah.
see it.
Okay, different day, different outro. This video has been filmed over the course of like a week and a half. It's ridiculous. The fender flares are being redone. They look really good. Where we stopped in the video is about where it ended for the night and about where the flares are now. So, we've been working on the angle kit the last week, and we've kind of left the fenders for Kobe because I know that he wants to work on those. I know he's pretty excited about that. So, kind of just leaving him right now. He'll be coming back doing some more work on those in a different video. And in the next video, we are going to be showing you guys the GK Tech knuckles. Got these bad boys in just this morning. We're finishing up putting it all back together right now. And, yeah. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Look out for the next video, because it's going to be a good one too. And, yeah. Have a good rest of your day, guys.